What's up? This is REYNA by Sensation M. That's what the lace looks like. That's what the hair looks like. We are here with the what I ordered versus what I got. This is what I got. As you can see on the thumbnail, what I ordered versus what I got was two different things, but they look similar. Okay, it's a 13 by 6 and it has 13 by 6 parting space. However, it's only a 13 by 6 parting space right up in the crown area. Then it goes into a 13 by 2, so you can't really pluck on the sides very much. She is in 1. I decided to get her in jet black as opposed to just in 1B, which is off black, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. But this is what the curls look like. It's a totally different curl pattern than you see on the stock card, as you can see. So that there. Now I did install with only adhesive spray this time. I did not use anything else because I wanted a very temporary hold. I just wanted to show you guys it on. I didn't like it. I'm not gonna lie. The unit was so hard to install. Like, it looks easy because of the editing, but it was not an easy install. It would not stick. No matter how much alcohol I use, no matter what I did, it just would not stick. Okay. I didn't even use a cap, so normally it sticks even more with a cap, and it did not stick very well. So I'm going through now trying to make my hairline look natural because, like I said, even though it came with plucking area up in the crown region, on the sides you only get like about a 13 by 2, 13 by 3, and then it goes straight into the tracks, and so you do not have anywhere that you can pluck and hide. So it stayed thick, and that's another thing I didn't like. So with this unit, I would not, I don't know. It's up to you. I'll leave it up to you in order to get this unit. I did not like this unit. I wore it one day, and that night it was horrible. Unmanageable, tangled, just was not it. Okay, so I'm telling you guys, I wouldn't suggest going to purchase REYNA for 40 something dollars. I paid almost $50 for her. This is what the hairline came out looking like. I'm going to continue to try and make it work, and I'll let you watch me do that until the end of the video. It's not gonna be a very long video. Like I said, I really didn't like it, and I didn't install it with glue. I only installed it with adhesive spray. So if you like videos like this, like honest reviews on hair and what you get versus what you actually purchase, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.